Welcome to Lichfield Motorhomes. I'm Mia and this is the 2023 plate VANLAB Conversion VW T30 H-Line. This camper is automatic and has just done over 9,500 miles. It travels 5 people and comfortably sleeps 4. As you can see, this van has a sleek light grey finish and works both as a daily driver and a compact camper van. It sits on 20-inch bronze alloy wheels, which gives this van a more premium and refined appearance. The outside of this van is fitted with a beautiful colour matching body kit, including a front diffuser and a side skirting. A really cool feature is the hidden hookup point, which sits just underneath the VW sign on the front. Just push the logo in and it pops straight out. Up top, you've got a flush pop-top roof, so when it's closed, it sits perfectly level with the rest of the van, making it look more like a standard van rather than a camper. The tinted windows add to the stealth camper vibe. And to top it all off, you've also got front and rear parking sensors for extra convenience. In the cab, we have this lovely suede style material that gives the space a sleek, modern and premium feel. We also have these bucket styled seats, which are both heated. I mean, what else could you want? You'll also find a digital media centre and an upgraded Alpine stereo speakers, cab air conditioning and cup holders for that extra large cup of coffee. The passenger seats can be swivelled around to make a super nice space for dining. It's also perfect for relaxing in the van with a drink on a gorgeous day while enjoying the view. Inside the van, the upholstery is a light grey leather, which helps the whole space feel brighter and more open and pairs perfectly with the teal cupboards in the kitchen. Whilst we're on the topic of the kitchen, we have this L-shaped marble effect worktop space. How fancy, with plenty of storage. We also have a table which just clips on here and can be easily adjusted to where you would like it. Before I go into any more detail about this van, I have to show you one of my favourite features, the starlight roof. It's such a standout detail. The lights are fully controllable with this remote and you can change them to any colour you like. Personally, my favourite is the blue. How cute is that? They're perfect for those evenings when you're staying away and the weather isn't the best. It creates a really cosy atmosphere inside, and beyond that, it adds a real touch of luxury to the van's interior. The control panel is minimal, but it does do everything you need. Switching on the lights, there you go. Charging your phones and tablets, there you go. Turning on your water, controlling your heating, you can do all of that. Keeping it simple is key, and the VANLABS does just that. These rear seats can also turn into a spacious double bed just by pulling this handle, or by clicking my fingers. Ta-da! Additionally, there's a pop-top roof with a sleeping area above. So this van can sleep up to 4 people, 2 on the rear bed and 2 up on the pop-top. So this was the VANLAB Conversion VW T30 H-Line, and what an amazing van it is. It can be used as your everyday vehicle as well as for holiday trips away, while offering a modern, sleek and stylish finish both inside and out. For any more information about this van, visit our website at nickwell.com. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!
Cruising down the showroom where the motorhomes shine, and it's got the stories, every spec and every line. From auto sleepers to wild axe nose and Winesburg too. We're taking you inside 'em, making motorhome dreams come true. Nickwell Motorhomes, Co-UK. We've got guides and tours, yeah, we'll show you what's in store. From cozy lounge to kitchen space, there's always room for more. Sit back, press play on our YouTube highway. Where Ned and me guide you, it's your perfect getaway. Nickwell Motorhomes, let's roll, make the world your home. Andy, Ned, and me is here, come on and join the show. From walk-around tours to tips that help you buy, we'll find your dream motorhome. go with comfort everywhere. We got vans and A-classes, family layouts too, and finance options make it easy just for you. Nick Well Motorhomes, go UK. Hey, wanna sell your van? We'll give you peace of mind. Instant purchase or broker style, the choice is kind. Nick Well Motorhomes, call you call. From walk-through roof to backseat boot, our guides are golden. Come and take your room. Nick Well Motorhomes. Let's roll, make the world your home. Andy, Need, and Mia's here with less than expert blow. From show floor vibes to roads untold, we'll help you find the one that home on wheels you've always owned. So hit subscribe, turn notifications on. With Andy, Need, and Mia, fun all day long. Nick Well Motorhomes, adventure starts with you. Your dream begins today with a channel that's so true.